In this Hostinger tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a domain name and web hosting from Hostinger step by step. I'll cover how to choose the right hosting plan, how to get a free domain name, and how to complete the checkout without paying for things you don't need. I'll also show you how to get the maximum Hostinger discount available during checkout. This guide is perfect for beginners and first-time website owners. Let's get started. First things first, click the link in the description below to access the Hostinger discount. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the lowest pricing available. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger web hosting page. Click the Claim Deal button to be taken to the Hostinger Plans section on the page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plan. Something to keep in mind is that the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, global data centers, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Hostinger's premium web hosting plan packs serious value. You get hosting for up to 3 websites with 20 gigabytes of fast SSD storage, 2 mailboxes free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. Hostinger's business web hosting plan includes everything from the premium plan. AI tools included with this plan are the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. You get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. The Cloud Startup plan builds on everything included in the Premium and Business plans and takes it to the next level. You get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security and performance, and priority 24/7 expert support. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button under the option you want to go with. You'll now be on the cart page. On the right-hand side, you'll see a link that says Have a Coupon Code. Click on that. Then paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included in the description below and hit apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly, helping you save even more on your Hostinger web hosting. On the left side of the cart, under period, you can choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind, the free domain name is only included with the annual plans. For this tutorial, I'll go with the 12-month option. You'll see every website needs a domain. You can type in a domain name that you'd like to have. If it's available, you'll see your domain name listed here, showing $0 if going with any of the annual terms. Click it to add the free domain name. You'll see the domain name has a price. You want to change the term from 2 years to 1 year to get the free domain name. You'll see that free domain privacy protection is included to keep your personal information safe. You'll see Hostinger Reach. This is an optional add-on that is an AI-powered email marketing service. We receive subscribers per month. You can change this based on your needs. If you want to add it, click the Add Email Marketing button. Next, click the Continue button to begin setting up your Hostinger account. You'll be prompted to register. Just enter your details and click Register when you're ready. After that, fill in your billing address information. Once that's filled out, click Continue to move forward. Finally, enter your payment details. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of all the payment methods that Hostinger accepts, so you can choose what works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll choose to pay by card and click the Submit Payment button. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt for the Hostinger purchase. And that's it. You've now successfully purchased your domain name and web hosting from Hostinger. If you follow along using the link and coupon code in the description, you should have received the maximum Hostinger discount, including the extra savings at checkout and a free domain name on eligible terms. From here, you can start building your website right away, whether that's installing WordPress, using Hostinger's website builder, or uploading your site from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more beginner-friendly website and hosting tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm happy to help.